Hello, boys and girls. It's Monday, May 4th. We're going to talk about our new pattern, and then we're going to talk about the month and what we're going to be doing this month. And then I want to read a story, okay? All right. First of all, let's look at the month of May. It's no longer April. It's the month of May, and I thought, let's wait till Monday till we see the pattern, and then we'll go over what the pattern is. Okay, so first of all, let's look at how we spell May. May is M-A and Y. Notice the Y goes down in the basement. M-A-Y, May, all right? So January, February, March, April, May. It's the fifth month. And our pattern starts out where we left off last Friday, May 1st. And like I said, I wanted to wait till this week so we could see the pattern. So we have Friday, May 1st, and it's a flower. And then May 2nd, as you can see, it's a petal of a flower. And then May 3rd is a butterfly. And then look what May 4th is. It's another flower. Have we seen a flower so far? Yes, our first day was a flower. So that's our pattern. Flower, petal, butterfly. Flower, and what will tomorrow be? I put it down here. Yes, tomorrow on Tuesday, we will go to the petal. So let's count our days and find out the day of the week. So May 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, or 1, 2, 3, 4, and let's say the days of the week. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Did you sing it with me? Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. All right, so Sunday, Monday. Today is Monday, May 4th, number 4, and it's a flower. And as we said, tomorrow will be one of the petals. There we go for number 5. It's the petal. All right. The next thing I want to do is I want you to look at, we have a new month. So we have some new things, boys and girls. Yes, we're going to start transportation. I think a lot of our boys are really excited about this, but we'll also remember our moms for Mother's Day. So let's look at some of the different ways we travel. Of course, we can use our feet to travel, but then we have some different examples here. We see a tricycle. Look at that. You know what that's called? That's a beach buggy. See this? This is a train. There's several different types of trains, boys and girls. This one is a passenger train, okay? And we'll talk more about the different types of trains as we read stories. And we have down here, as you can see, this is a space shuttle. Wow. We have a dump truck, it looks like right here. And what's this? Who could tell me? Yes, it's a motorcycle. And this, a helicopter. Do you know what this big long car is? Sometimes kids go to the prom in these. It's a limousine. And then we've got a regular car. This is a jumbo jet. Now, the difference between a jet and an airplane has a propeller. A jet plane does not. It uses this jet propulsion power. Okay, and we have a bicycle and a school bus, a police car. Look at the fire engine. So, many different types and ways to travel. One of these days, not today, but we will talk about how Jesus traveled. I've got some items that I want to show you about how he traveled, okay? So the next thing we're going to do, boys and girls, is read the story, Freight Train. It's just a short little story but I think you're going to enjoy it. And it is by Donald Cruise. Freight Train by Donald Cruise. Now, also in this story, I want you to look at the different types of trains that you'll see. This says it's a freight train, so that means it carries stuff. It carries freight. Freight, things, items that you take from place to place. Okay, are you ready? Freight Train by Donald Cruise. A train runs across this track. Do you see the track? Red caboose at the back. So the last train is called the caboose. And if you watch a train, boys and girls, that might be going by on the way to school someday when you stop at the tracks, often the last one you'll see is the caboose. And it's always the last one. It is the caboose, but it's often red. Orange tank car next. A tank car. Now a tank car usually carries liquid. This is called a hopper car. I bet some of you people know that. But a hopper car carries, it looks like it's got some grain in there. Okay, so this is a freight train, remember? This is a green cattle car. We call it a cattle car because often farmers would transport their cattle in this kind of a car on a train. This is called a blue gondola car. Okay, I don't know much about gondola cars. This is a purple box car. Notice they have 3 different colors. I don't think that necessarily means anything. It's just a colorful book. Okay? If it's a box car, once again, it can carry different types of freight, even an animal. This is a tender car. It's called a black tender car because, of course, it's black and it looks like it's got some coal. And then this one, the last one for us to see, is actually the very first train on the track, and it's the steam engine. This is a black steam engine. Okay, notice right here, all part of the train. This is where the conductor might be sitting. He is in charge of the train. So this, boys and girls, is a freight train. Okay? A freight train. So remember, a freight train carries freight. All right, that's it for today.